Hey guys, this one is in pretty good condition. The only issue is this, but I can replace that easily. There's a couple of chunks taken out of the L button, but I can replace that. All screws intact. The casing at the bottom here is a little bit cracked, but overall it's in pretty good. The screen has a very light scratch there. It looks pretty clean. A little bit of dirt there maybe, I don't know, we'll clean it up afterwards. But this one, again, no power. So let's get in, test it with the battery, see if it is just a charge port, and then replace that. Again, just put a new battery in there. I have a feeling it is just a charge port, unless we have a blue screen as well. That'll be unfortunate. Right, let's give it a go, ready? Oh, blue screen as well. That is a shame. Okay, we've got blue screen. Let me push down on the APU, see if it will get a display then. Turn it off. Right. Push down, power on, still blue screen. Damn. Alright, let's take the heat sink off. It's not been apart before. It's still very stuck down. I think the rest of the consoles are probably blue screen now. Actually, let me just try it in with, see if the charge port is fine. I'm pretty sure I saw damage in it though. It might cut off my ammeter. Let's have a look. Oh no, it does work. Yeah, instant blue screen. Damn it, what about the other way? Yeah, okay, so it is blue screen of death. Maybe the charge port's fine. I'm pretty sure I saw a pin missing. Now we're down to the board, let's get this APU off. Okay, it's ready. Yeah, this is too far gone. Jeez, there's loads of pads. Yeah, I don't think this one's repairable. Let's have a quick look under the microscope. And you can see at the top left here, you've got so many there, whether or not they're, they look like no connects. Doesn't look like there's wires underneath them. These ones do, however. Well, it could just be the reflection. But if you look down here as well, look at them all. So you've got that little one down there, that's gone. I don't know what's going on with these, maybe they're no connects. All these as well. That one's gone, that's gone, that's gone, that's... Nah, it's just too much. Too much work just to get this one done. That's why when I was pushing down on it as well, it didn't turn on, so you know something serious was wrong with it. Alright, we'll call that one a loss. Let's get on to the next one. This is the final three now. This one has very sticky buttons, so I'm assuming it's water damaged. But it wouldn't be surprising if it is blue screen. I've checked the port's clear. And it's blue screen anyway. Would this one be repairable? Let's open it up and have a look. Although the condition of it is pretty good. Very, very minimal light scratches. The screen's dirty. The thumbstick's got a lump in it. There's no, is that a crack there? That might be a crack. Yeah, there's a crack there, that's common. So it probably needs a new back casing. Crack down there. But other than that, it seems to be okay. Alright, as soon as I've taken it off, another console dock to repair, but it just says here, charge port replacement service. Oh, okay. So it's actually nearly a year ago. Well, close to. So that's interesting. That's the heat shield off, the heat pipe. Let's push it down, see if it's savable. Oh man, I don't know. Here we go. Plugged in. Yes, okay, it might be savable. Good. Good. The battery is depleted. It's charging at 12 amps. 12 amps, sorry. 120 milliamps. Or 0.13 amps. So that's good. So we might actually have good luck here. So I'll come back to you once again. Very clean in here though, but it's a console doctor, so we changed the charge port. Yeah, let's get down to the board and then we'll take the CPU off and see what we're saying. Coming in with the hot air. And we're off. Under the microscope now, and as you can see, not one ripped pad. So this could be successful. Well, it will be successful. That's amazing. That is absolutely brilliant. So let's prepare this while the board's still hot. Add more flux. Alright, now that's all been rebored and it looks lovely. Looks perfect to me. Let's line it up with the board and then solder it back on. bit more than that. Lovely. Okay, here we go. That is spot on already. There you go. Perfect. Yep, that looks good to me. And let's solder it on. 440 degrees, airflow 4. Just to begin with. I think I just slightly saw it move, which is good. It's come off the heat a sec. Only slightly moved, the most smallest amount. Wait for it to cool down a sec, so I can inject some flux to allow it to completely flow properly. Here we go, injecting. Lovely. And here we go. Turn up the speed a little. Now it's shifted properly. Correctly into position. I hope. Now that's cooled down, let's give it a test. Fingers crossed. I have high hopes for this one. Reason being is there was no rip pads on this one. Just going to put in the display for now. All we want is that battery symbol. That's all we want to see. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Yep, there you go. We have a battery symbol. So once again, I'll come back to you once it's turned on. Right guys, it's booted up. It's drawing a lovely, well, it was 65 amps. Press the home button. Right, first time it powering on. One user on it. Just the typical games. Screen looks good. Little light scratches on it. Go to see what software it's running. 18.0.1, so it's a bit old, but not too old. The network. Yep, no error. Oh. Okay, I haven't got the antennas plugged in, but it didn't say no error code. So let me come back and plug the antennas back in. Alright, let's try the internet again. Screen doesn't look like it's been replaced, which is good. Yep, it's found my network. Brilliant. I'm not going to bother signing in. I'll give them a fully test before I actually sell them. Yeah, so that's another console repaired. Again, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really shows that it's worth me making these videos. Let me know if you want me to do a live stream or something fixing one. I've got 2 left. I've got this one and this one. I think they're probably blue screens as well, but I could always do one on live stream. Conditions are really good, no cracks. I left these 2 till last because they're in good condition. Yeah, so let me know. Thanks for watching.